on, guys? On today's episode, we're gonna go ahead and put the motor back together. Literally every piece by piece, how we took it apart, back together, and hopefully get this boat all fired up behind us. But with that being said, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump straight to the video. Boom, look at that, guys. Our gasket set, whole entire thing came. There's the head gaskets right there. And we got all our brand new cylinder heads. One in that box, one in that box, brand new. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed in the boat. You ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Ready to lift that sucker up.
What are you talking about? I'm just putting these together, the heads.
Oh man, we gotta torque those down, they're gonna snap.
A couple ugga duggas, you're good to go. It's a 350 GM Chevy motor.
You're not wrong.
Let's do it, right?
Yeah, just send it.
We're just playing, guys. There's nothing on here and we're just holding it down. We're definitely gonna use a torque wrench.
Probably a good idea.
So we figured out a super simple method on how to adjust the rocker arms on this thing. What do you think? Was that a great idea?
Super easy.
No feeler gauges or anything. So the way to do it is you turn the engine 90 degrees, tighten down whatever is the loose rockers, and then do it another 90 degrees, tighten them down. You do full 360 revolutions. And just to be sure, before we tighten everything completely, we're actually going to be doing what? 3 full 360s?
3, maybe even 4 at this point, just to be sure. Some of the lifters are still getting a little loose after all this, but feels good knowing that we don't got to open it up again after this.
Oh, yeah. And then when you're done, you do 1 3/4 of a turn, and you are set, and you are literally tightened in spots. So we'll just do a 3/4 turn and be done. Put the valve covers, headers on. I think we're good to start this thing up.
Ooh, I can't wait to hear it run.
Let's do it.
Ready.
because it spilled all over you, remember?
Oh yeah, it's all over the place on me, my jeans.
What do you think? That should be good?
I'd say so.
Alright, here we go. Alrighty guys, so it is the next day here. We actually took the whole entire, well not the whole engine apart, but the valve cover's off, the intake, the exhaust manifold's actually off again. And the engine would start, but it kept sputtering. It didn't want to start. When we read online on how to adjust these rocker arms, I guess we didn't read the right form or didn't adjust them properly because the rocker arms were a little bit too tight. So we went ahead and tried this different method. You know, really took our time with it this time to make it perfect. And then before I started it, I got a compression tester as well, which kind of slowed me down because I went to O'Reilly's. You could rent these compression testers. I might just go buy a set for myself. It's good to have around. But every time we put this compression tester on the engine spark plug, we're getting zero compression. Literally zero, nothing at all. And so we're literally wondering, why do we have no compression? I mean, we put the head gaskets in there. Is the rings bad? But the motor started before. So yeah, I mean, it was a mystery. Checked everything, you know, rechecked the valves all over again, make sure nothing's sticking open, nothing was. So I decided to just put the spark plugs in there and said, you know what, let's just fire it up and just see if it fires up open headers. I guess we'll find out if this starts or not. The compression tester, I'm trying to buy one, but no one around me has one in stock, and the closest one they have is 2 hours out. So I do not want to wait 2 hours. So let's go over here. I got the battery hooked up to the jumper. Let's see if this thing will fire up. Let that fuel pump prime a little bit. Trying to get a good glimpse, but I'm here by myself, guys. So I'm going to walk up there while it starts real quick and shut it off. Alrighty, guys. The motor starts. Runs perfect. Everything on it works. I'm super happy now. Everything on it runs. Boom. Before, I mean, it didn't even start. I don't know if you guys... Yeah, you guys will see on the video before. Alrighty guys, so take a look at this. We got this whole entire boat all put back together. We have to take it apart to adjust the valves, put it all back together, all the manifolds and everything, and we are pretty much ready to go. We got our fake lake on there, hooked up on the bottom. Let me see if I can get the camera in there so I can kind of show you guys. Right underneath the boat, that is a fake lake system, so a hose hooks up to the suction tube, and it sucks it up. Make sure the engine's got water on it. Man, I love these flakes, how they look. I can't wait to wash this boat. It's so dusty right now, guys. But let's go ahead and turn on the water and see what this boat will run. We're going to let it get up to temp. And man, I didn't even realize this thing's got LEDs over here. I keep getting off track, but man, I can't wait to wash this thing. Let's go ahead and fire up the boat and let it warm up. Let's see all the operating temperatures, make sure everything is good on it, and go from there, guys. Guys, take a look at this. The boat is running really nicely. Everything on it works. No overheating. We've let this thing run for probably about 45 minutes. No overheating at all, guys. The motor on this thing is perfect. The rebuild turned out perfect. All we got to go ahead and take care of is the prop now. And we got some goodies like the power speakers, racks for the boards, all the other stuff that's soon to be coming. Alrighty guys, so that's going to be a wrap for today's video. I really hope you guys are enjoying how this boat rebuild series is coming along. everything on this thing turned out perfect, guys. The boat's running behind me. We've let it run for like 45, 50 minutes now. The thing is perfect. No overheating, no water with the oil. And I can't wait to get this thing on the lake, guys. But you guys have to stay tuned. On the next episode, we're going to go ahead and replace that propeller on there. Get our wake tower racks for the boards, for the surfboards and all that on there. Our speaker system. This thing's going to be a blast on the water. Then we're going to take this thing out on the lake and get this thing ripping, guys. But if you guys want to see the next video, make sure you guys subscribe so you guys get a post notification when it comes